Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this amazing hairspray by Keune. I don't know how to say it, but I love this stuff. It's amazing. So I just finished curling my hair. We're gonna spritz this on. This is a flexible hold because I don't want stiff curls, but I want these suckers to stay. I love, this is very, very light fragrance. It's not a heavy fragrance, which is awesome. It sprays great, nice big can. Let's flip the hair and check out the curls. Okay, looking good. It is not crispy or crunchy. And let's see how this holds up during a video marathon for a bunch of different clothing. So let's check this out. Okay, I am done doing my videos. My hair is still looking good. Like I change my so many times, like up and over my head, tops, dresses, all the things, and it's still, the curls are still looking nice. They're not tight, but I didn't want them to stay tight. But love this hairspray, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.